What's up, everybody? My name is Gary, and I'm the president of Opus Builders. I'd like to welcome you all to our latest project, the Opus Gatsby. The first thing you notice from Hill Drive when you pull up is the Gothic railings from the 1930s. As they open up, you walk in, you'll notice the wood windows, the lush landscaping, the textured plaster, and the final touch are the hand-sketched and custom-built Gothic light fixtures that match all the ironwork around the house. And now let's get this tour started. Follow me. As soon as you walk in, you're welcomed by the grand foyer. You'll notice the original green tile that we had refurbished, all the hand-painted Spanish tiling throughout, the stained glass lighting, and again, we kept all the original Gothic railings just like they were in the original 30s. From the entryway, you have the formal den or you have the kitchen, but that La Cornu range is catching my eye. Let's go check it out. The original idea was to make this the ultimate entertainer's home, and we did that with this kitchen. You'll see the 18-foot island ready to serve 20 plus people. You have the Taj Mahal Cristallo countertops, 12-burner La Cornu hood, handmade in France. The stainless steel with the unlacquered brass and the gold touches throughout really brought this kitchen together. And finally, you'll see the globe pendant lights that really put that chef's kiss onto the kitchen. And like we said before, it's an entertainer's dream. You have a straight shot to your dining room, your living room, and your grand foyer. Now that you've seen the kitchen, let's check out my favorite part of the home, the den and the office. As you sit down, you notice the white oak paneling throughout, the detailed moldings, the unlacquered brass finishes. As you look up, you'll see the alabaster chandelier. We had this specially imported from Europe to be placed into this room and really bring the whole space together. And over my shoulder, you'll notice the office. It really gives you that old world Hollywood feel. Enjoy an espresso martini or maybe a cigar. And if you want to take a break from your work, just turn around, open your doors, step out to your balcony, and enjoy that private California oasis. As you come to the bottom of the stairs, you really see that speakeasy come to life. Down there you have the velvet room with the bar and the lounge, but over here is where the Prohibition era really comes to life. As you come in here, you'll see a 1,000-bottle wine cellar, perfectly temperature controlled to make sure that all your wine and your spirits are well maintained. This is a great place to have a conversation, but because of this echo, maybe you shouldn't tell your secrets. Let's head upstairs to the sleeping quarters. At the top of the stairs, you have 4 bedrooms, all designed in their own unique way. Right now, we're coming into the primary, and as you step in, the first thing that pops out are the custom hand-engraved handles and the hinges to match. And what we see is not only a primary sleeping quarter, but a wraparound balcony where you can step out in the morning and see your entire estate. But as you step out to your yard, you see your Moroccan tile pool, the custom 30-person fire pit, basketball court, and that rooftop deck that overlooks the entire estate. That wraps up our tour. I hope you enjoyed the Opus Gatsby. I'll see you on the next one.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.